Hey guys, it's Misha back with another video. So today I'm gonna try and revive this hair. It's super old, super dry. It's not like super dirty, but it's just dry. My hair's been going through a dry spell recently, especially on my ends. So yeah, I'm gonna try and remedy that. I don't know how, but I will. So I'm gonna videotape it and I'm gonna show you guys what I do to try and get my curls back, to try and get some moisture back into my hair and all of that. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so first what I always do when my hair is looking a little dull, feeling a little dull, is I go in to see if I need to trim any split ends. So my hair is pretty stretched out. So what I'm gonna do is just like section it out. I'm not doing anything like super specific. I'm literally just gonna go in and see if like I need to trim anything. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna look at my ends. They're a little raggedy. So I'm gonna trim very, very, very lightly just to like kind of help my hair out. So yeah, it's dry, but I just trimmed my hair maybe a month or so ago. So I know it's not like lots of split ends, but definitely like some things a mess. Definitely. So I'm just going to take this section, and again, I'm not a professional. I'm not saying you need to do it this way. I have hair clippers that are made for the hair, and I'm just gonna go in. I'm just gonna like stretch out my hair as much as possible, and I'm just gonna like take like little pieces off, just very, very little pieces off, just to kind of help, like, see that, like that. I'm gonna trim that off just to kind of like help my hair bounce back. Maybe usually before and after a protective style, so before and after I get braids, and not before, definitely after, and just like whenever I feel like it, whenever my hair is getting like dry and weird and boo, I'm just like, oh, like it's time to trim. So yeah, I trimmed my hair maybe like a month and a half ago, probably right before I dyed my hair. So it hasn't been too long. I suggest trimming your hair as often as possible because, girl, or guy, but y'all, you don't want a whole bunch of split ends. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want all those problems. But yeah, so that's probably step number one to just trying to get my hair back together. I could probably trim some more low key. Am I gonna trim more? I'm gonna trim like this, these like straggly little ends. Also, if you want to know how long my hair is exactly, it's like about here. So this is my armpit. It's like a little bit above my armpit, almost at my armpit. And to be fair, I did just trim it, so it's like here. This is like where my hair stops. Definitely well below my collarbones, like shoulder-ish length, which is pretty great because it's growing, which is important. Okay, so now I'm probably gonna hop in the shower to wash and condition my hair. I just bought this OGX brand conditioner and shampoo. It's the Quenching Coconut Curls, the shampoo, and the conditioner claim to drench your curls. It says this nourishing blend with coconut oil, sweet honey, and a twist of citrus oil helps to enhance natural softness, boost decadent spirals, and tame frizz for beautiful tumbling waves with bounce and shine. So I'm going to be using these. I was using Tresemme beforehand for the past like couple months, and it's not really working for me. My hair's been just too dry, so I'm like, let me just go back to a brand that I know and trust. And I decided to get the one for the curls, you know, trying to get back some moisture, get back some volume, some bounce, some shine, and all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna use these, see if they're really good or not. I used to use the regular coconut nourishing one. I've used that before. I used that for a while. I loved it. I just loved it. I never had an issue with them. So hopefully this will be the same way. As you guys know, this brand is like sulfate free and all of those good things that they tell you to do, like the natural hair gurus. They tell you, you know, you need to get a shampoo that does this. This is that product. This is one of those brands that does all of that. Sulfate, yeah, it's sulfate free. It's really important. So yeah, so I'll be back with a clean head. While I shower, I will be using this hair massage, scalp massager that I got on Amazon. It vibrates. And to detangle, I will be using my trusty old feminine brush. It's a little dirty right now, so I'm not going to show you guys. But I'm going to be using this to detangle my hair while there's conditioner inside of it. So yeah, so like I said, I'll be back after I shower and you guys can see the results. Hey guys, I'm back. I just got out of the shower. I'm like super tired. I have a shirt tied up and then I put a towel around it to keep the water from like falling on my neck and face. So yeah. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like now. It's super shrunken like usual, but it's super soft to the touch. Wow. So yeah, so my hair is actually pretty like dry. Like, it's hilarious. Like, yeah, I also like to shake out my hair just to like get it moving and stuff. It's like moving, it's soft, it's good. Definitely a lot softer than it was before I started this video. So what I'm gonna do first is add some warm water to my little water bottle. Awesome, and now I'm just gonna go in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner repair cream. Yay! Let me do a little on my edges, you know, don't want my edges to be dry either. So I'm not using an oil for this go around. I'm just gonna use my 100% pure shea butter. I love shea butter. It's so good on my hair. Yeah, yeah. Okay, cool. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my Cantu coconut curling cream. I like Cantu. Cantu's my fave. They're so affordable, like $6 a pop, and I like their smell. I've been using them for a few years, so I think they're really good. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is, this is their curling cream. I'm not gonna do a wash and go. I'm actually gonna put my hair like into some puffs because I don't have any more headbands, but I do have hair ties, so I'm gonna put my hair into some puffs. Yeah, it looks so short. It looks so short, but like y'all come on y'all, that's crazy. Like, look, that's crazy. Anyway, shrinkage is fun, but you can see how the reason why it's like not super curly is because, one, I let it dry, but also in the shower I detangled it and I wasn't focused on making my curls clump because I knew I was going to do a wash and go. So my, you know, it's a little like frizzier than usual, but like the curls are there. The curls are there. So I'm gonna just section my hair, well, not section my hair, but do my hair in sections with some coconut curling cream. Since my hair shrinks up, if it's not like defined curls, or if the curls are just like not there, they won't show up. My hair also dries like in a tighter curl pattern than it actually is, which is really interesting. Like, if I just let it be like this, it'll look like I have like straight 4C hair, and I don't actually. I have like more 4A like hair. As you can see, like my curls are definitely like a lot looser than 4C, like they're more like 4A. But if I just let it dry without putting any product on it, it'll look super coarse, which is really interesting. Yeah, people don't believe me when I'm like, oh, like I have 4A hair, but I do. It's there. Look at that. You see these curls? Like they're curls. They're not Z's. You know how like 4C type hair is very like Z. Okay, I'm gonna get my edges right here. This part of my hair like always just like sticks out and up, and it's so weird. I don't know. Just trying to make sure everything's like nicely and evenly distributed because I want it in my hair and not on my hair. So yeah, and that's just like what my hair is looking like right now. I'm just going, I'm focusing on the ends because your ends are your oldest part of your hair, the driest part of your hair. Like, sis, make sure those ends are loved. Make sure they are loved, okay? Because then they'll love you. Oh my gosh, am I about to do a fro? Am I about to do a fro, y'all? Y'all, guys, I really may like do a fro. Is that what's happening right now, guys? I haven't done a fro in a whip. Yeah. Okay, like look at those curls. No eco styler. No eco styler. Like it's definitely like not super defined, but this is a look. This is a look. Oh my gosh, I was not prepared. I was not ready. The little bang and everything. I was not ready. Was not prepared. Well, yeah. So I'm about to be done with this video because I thought I was gonna do something else and I'm not. See, look how God plays you. You really think you're about to do something now. Wow. So yeah, my hair is definitely revived. My curls are here. They're here to play games. They're here to participate. They are present. They are marked present for the day. But yeah, so that worked. My hair is definitely revitalized. And it should stay like this low key because if I wear my silk bonnet, as long as I don't let my hair be like on my cotton sheets and on my cotton pillow, this should be like this for a good few days. Because it wasn't even supposed to be a wash day today. I just needed to revive my hair. So yeah, and look at that volume. And it's like dry. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is a move. This is a mood. I'm here. Okay, sorry, I'm just here for it because low key, why haven't I done this before? I don't know. Yeah, so don't sleep on the Cantu curling cream. Because my curls are defined. They're definitely like not as defined as my eco style gel. I'm not saying that they are, but they're here. They're here. Like they're here to play. Like they're not like they are here. They are marked present. Like yeah. So all right, so I guess this is it for this video. I should probably stop looking at myself in the mirror, but basically I just wanted you guys to see how I revitalize my hair. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been real, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.